from the Bay Area's local news station. We begin now with breaking news.
Now at 5 o'clock, rain, and even more rain. The Bay Area getting drenched from a powerful storm that is bringing flooding, uprooted trees, plenty of car crashes, and tens of thousands of power outages. You're looking at a picture of the scene unfolding all across the Bay Area this Sunday night. Meanwhile, a live look at Radar 4 where you can see the heaviest of the rain now starting to move out of the North Bay, headed south into the city and even further south as well. That is where we start this Sunday on a very special edition of KRON 4 News at 5 o'clock. Welcome in. I'm Jonathan McCall. We will speak with Justine Waldman live in just a few moments. KRON 4 has live Storm Tracker 4 team coverage. We start with meteorologist Mabrisa Rodriguez with a look at where this storm is centered right now and the heavier impacts still on the way for folks in the South Bay tonight.
Yeah, that's right, Jonathan. We've been planning this storm for more than a week, and it's already giving us rain totals far above what we were expecting. For those of you in Santa Rosa, you've already seen more than 6.5 inches of rain. For downtown San Francisco, more than 2.5 inches of rain. Easily one of the wettest Octobers on record, top 5. Let's take a look at Radar 4 so we can see exactly how heavily it's raining in your neighborhood. We actually have a flash flood warning in effect, flash flood watches and advisories, in addition to gusty winds and also dangerously high surf. And it's because of this strong atmospheric river. Right now, we are tracking moderate bands of heavy rain in the East Bay, just exited Oakland, but now primarily over San Ramon right now. Pockets of heavy downpours in Concord and Antioch as well. As we shift to the San Francisco Peninsula, we are seeing Woodside and San Mateo noticing some pretty moderate to heavy downpours there, specifically along our beaches just to the west of Woodside. Tracking widespread light scattered showers for those of you in San Jose, and that flash flood warning in effect right now for parts of the North Bay, including Santa Rosa, Calistoga, and St. Helena. They're seeing rain rates right now anywhere from 1/4 of an inch to upwards of 1/2 an inch per hour. So we could easily get 1 to 2 inches of additional rain in that area. And as you can see, this atmospheric river still tracking moderate bands off the coast in the Pacific, expected to make its way inland throughout tonight, because this atmospheric river going to continue all night long, finally exiting by your Monday morning. Futurecast 4, though, tracking widespread moderate to heavy downpours expected for your Sunday night. That is going to shift into the South Bay, specifically San Jose, Santa Clarita. I know 49ers still plan on playing during this severe weather, and we are tracking right now during the overnight hours after midnight, still drying out for those of you in the North Bay, but just barely. Could see some light scattered showers, though, specifically near Santa Rosa, when the bulk of that atmospheric moisture starts to exit to our south and east. But then after midnight, we're going to notice the heaviest downpours really concentrated in the East Bay valleys and South Bay. That's going to be our next area of concern. By Monday, could see some more possible severe weather with the threat of pop-up thunderstorms and lightning, specifically for those of you in Fremont. 5:30 for your Monday morning, until we all eventually start to dry out and clear out shortly before your noon lunchtime hour on Monday. Scattered showers still expected in the forecast through about Tuesday, but here's a look at additional rain totals of what we're expecting from now all the way through Tuesday. About 3/4 of an inch of rain in Santa Rosa, nearly an inch of rain for those of you in Novato. On top of what we've already seen, Kentville reporting near 12 inches of rain so far with this atmospheric river. Absolutely unbelievable there. And we are going to see anywhere from about 1 to 2 inches along the San Francisco Peninsula, the East Bay, and for those of you in the South Bay. In addition to that, gusty winds. Right now, we are seeing winds out of the south. Gustiest for those of you in Pacifica, 28-mile-per-hour sustained winds in that 20-mile-per-hour range for most of the Bay Area. And that is going to be one of the issues as well. So down trees, down power lines, extremely saturated. Our biggest area of concern, obviously, will be our 2020 burn scars, specifically in Napa and Sonoma County, and also that CZU lightning complex fire for those of you in the Santa Cruz Mountains. So certainly have a long night ahead of us, Jonathan. Back to you.